This recipe will give us 10 litres into the fermenter and should give us something like 8 litres into the bottle. Now the grain bill is over 2 kilograms, starting with 1.44 kilograms of Golden Promise, 307 grams of flaked torrefied barley, 162 grams of low colour chocolate malt, and 145 grams of that roast barley. Yeast is the Fermentis Safe Ale English Ale SO4, 5.5 grams of that. Hops then are East Kent Goldings going in as the bittering hop, and then slightly more for aroma we have good old Fuggle going in at 20 minutes and 10 minutes. We're going to need 14.5 litres of bottled water. Now I'm a big fan of the Ashbeck water because it has a low mineral content. That low mineral content makes it easy for us to add the water chemicals we need to achieve the profile for the particular beer that we're looking